Ever wondered why your decorated functions run slower? Today we're diving into Python's bytecode to reveal the hidden performance cost of decorators. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when that cost is worth it. Let's start with a simple function that adds two numbers: clean, fast, straightforward. Now watch what happens when we add a timing decorator. Same function, same logic, but Python has to do something very different under the hood. The question is, how much slower does it get? Here's where it gets interesting. Without a decorator, Python executes load fast to grab parameters and binary ADI for the operation. Simple and direct. But with a decorator, Python creates a wrapper function, adds load closure for the original function, builds a cell object, and adds make function. Every single call now goes through this wrapper layer. That's extra stack operations on every execution. Time for our simulation. We'll call each function 1,000,000 times and measure the difference. The undecorated function completes in a fraction of a second. The decorated version, it takes significantly longer. We're seeing roughly 30 to 40% overhead just from the decorator wrapper. That's not a typo. Decorators add real measurable cost. So when should you worry? If you're decorating functions called thousands of times per second, like in hot loops, API endpoints, or data processing pipelines, this overhead compounds quickly. But for occasional operations like application startup or user authentication, the cost is negligible and the benefits outweigh it. Here's what you need to remember. First, profile before optimizing. Use cProfile to identify actual bottlenecks. Second, for performance-critical functions, consider inlining decorator logic. Third, use functools.wraps to preserve function metadata. And finally, for zero-overhead alternatives, look into class-based solutions or compile-time decorators with libraries like Python. Decorators are powerful and elegant, but they're not free. Understanding the bytecode helps you make informed decisions. Use them wisely, profile your code, and optimize where it counts. If you want to see more, like and subscribe.